Should I buy or sell VOO? The report for VOO was first published on our website Thursday, March 9, 2023, but this is a more detailed version. Subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since March 9, 2023, our system ranks VOO as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -4.188. Over the next few days we will see how this evaluation performs. In our daily updates for VOO, our last headline reads, "Weaker technical forecast for VOO as ETF downgraded to sell candidate." The VOO ETF price fell by -1.83% on the last day, Thursday, March 9, 2023, from $366.55 to $359.84. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 2.8% from a day low at $358.85 to a day high of $368.88. The price has been going up and down for this period, and there has been a -2.26% loss for the last 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day by 1 million shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 4 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $1.57 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $426.17, and the lowest price was $319.87. Right now the price is 15.56%, or $66.33, below 52-week high of 18.45%, or $81.42. The ETF has broken the week rising short-term trend 2022 where the price hit. This signalizes a slower rate of rising, but may also be an early warning about a possible trend shift. Due to the trend being broken, there will now be resistance at the bottom line of the trend at $361.87. A reaction back to this level may hold a second chance to get out before further falls. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 5.19% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 5.78% and 14.24%. The 12-month trend indicates a -7.92% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -19.53% and -2.81%. This equals a price between $289.55 and $349.74 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. The following signals have been found for VOO. There are few to no technical positive signals at the moment. The VOO ETF holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $366.24 and $370.92. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, February 2, 2023, and so far it has fallen -6.03%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and the ETF should be followed more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 25 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 10 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 10 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 39 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for VOO. VOO finds support from accumulated volume at $351.34, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. In general, the ETF tends to have very controlled movements, and with good liquidity the risk is considered very low in this stock. During the last day, the ETF moved $10.03 between high and low, or 2.8%. For the last week the ETF has had daily average volatility of 1.51%. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, VOO meets first resistance at $363.45. If you do not hold VOO shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, VOO finds first level of support at $351.34, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. We hold a negative evaluation for this ETF, no stop loss set. Is VOO ETF a buy? The VOO ETF holds several negative signals, and despite the positive trend, we believe VOO will perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. Therefore, we hold a negative evaluation of this ETF. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation from a hold/accumulate to a sell candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Friday 10th, we expect VOO to open up $2.68 and start trading at $362.52. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the ETF? Remember